Okay, here we go. It's John in Los Angeles. It's June 6th, 2022. This pecker's going right over my head here. Right over. Let's see if he's squirting out any of his little sciuria. Sorry, I keep using that word, but it just fits so well. Okay, did we cut off? It's hard to see here. Let me regroup on this guy. Hold on. Alright, here we go. Get a good look, guys. Well, I got it here, because it ain't going to be long, let me tell you. I'll screw it up any second here. Look at you, you evil turd. So evil, these guys, my God. Okay. Gotta concentrate again if I can get this, but look at this. This is every night now. This is like every night. We could put up seats in the front yard, sell popcorn, you know? And yet, nobody really sees it. I feel like I'm the only one with a camera out here, I tell you that. People drive by all the time. I wonder what he's looking at. And I can't tell you how many times I've heard the bird watcher thing. Yeah, God, bird watchers killing me. That's so funny. That's the last thing. I mean, I love birds, but I ain't standing out here like this for that. All right. If you're in Los Angeles, please, between 6 and 8 o'clock now, these clowns are up there. All right. Hold on. I lost him, so if they are, try and get some footage of this. All right. Take care, guys. I'm out.